Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your business insurance with CNA detailed guide step by step clearly. To secure your business insurance with CNA, start by identifying your specific insurance needs. Consider the nature of your business, the risks involved, and the coverage options available. Next, research the different types of insurance CNA offers. Visit the CNA website or contact a local CNA representative for detailed information. Gather the necessary documentation about your business operations. This includes financial statements, employee details, and information on assets. Once prepared, request a quote from CNA. Provide all relevant information to ensure an accurate assessment. CNA will evaluate your application and may ask for additional details. After receiving the quote, review the coverage options and costs. Consider factors such as deductibles, limits, and exclusions in the policy. Compare the CNA quote with other insurers to ensure you are getting the best deal. If you decide to proceed with CNA, complete the application process. Read through the policy carefully, ensuring all details are correct. After approval, familiarize yourself with the terms and conditions of your coverage. Finally, maintain an open line of communication with your CNA representative. Regularly review your policy to ensure it meets your evolving business needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.